everyone, it's Noe and today I'm here with my cousin.
Hi, I'm Kaylee. I'm 9 years old. I'm a dancer and I love to sing and draw.
Okay, so today we're going to be making the mini unicorn slime kit from Original Stationery in the color
Glitzy Gold.
This kit includes mica gold powder
And gold glitter.
and gold flakes. So let's get started. Okay, this is really cool packaging, by the way, because look, it has all this gold and it has unicorns on there. What do you think about it, Kaylee?
I think it's really cool. It really brightens it up.
Cool. Okay, let's get to it. So in the kit, we have the clear glue, and it is 60 millimeters, which is 21 fluid ounces, which is enough for this slime kit. The glitter gold flakes, which it talked about in the packaging. Then we have our gold mixer. Look at that, it has even little gold flakes in it. It is so cool. Then we have our gold little measuring cup. Isn't that really cute? You want to pull something out of there?
Yeah.
Next thing is the unicorn slime kit.
Instructions.
This is very handy dandy and is what's going to help us to make our slime. Alright, next thing we pull out is our activator. Isn't this bottle so cute, Kaylee?
It's so tiny.
Then we have our gold mica powder. This is what makes the slime gold and its vibrant color.
Cool.
Then we have our measuring cup, very important, yes. And what is this, Kaylee?
More glitter.
Yep. And I think there's one more thing. Oh, that's it. Well, let's read our instructions and get to our slime. Okay, so this is the instructions. Okay, we're gonna pour the whole bottle of glue into our measuring cup. Do you wanna help me with that, Kaylee?
Yeah.
Wait, we gotta undo this. Okay, let's put this here. Now we gotta squeeze this out. Oh, there we go. Okay, you wanna start squeezing for me while I read the rest of the instructions? Okay, for step number 2, we're gonna add the gold glitter, mica powder, and the glitter flakes, and then we're gonna mix everything together. You got it? Squeeze! Just make sure you get every bit of it out because that's very important.
Yeah. Squeeze.
And make sure we mix everything and get everything out. Okay, let's check how much we've gotten. Okay, only a little bit more. Let's see how I can do it. Do you want to start opening the mica powder and pouring it in for me, Kaylee? Okay, just be very careful not to spill it anywhere, okay? Got it? See, this is such a great kit because it's a mini one, which doesn't make too much of a mess, which none of the original stationery kits make a mess, but it's also great to do with your cousins or your family or friends. Okay, ready, Kaylee? You can put it in. Keep pouring, sorry. Just pour that in. Make sure you open the bag so that it all comes out.
There you go.
Be careful here, I'll get it. This is what's gonna make it look like metallic-y and really like actual gold. Ooh, you can see it in the air too, right? It's like little gold-like flakes. Okay, I think that's it. We're gonna put this to the side. It's like making our studio all glittery. Then we've got the glitter. Pour this in.
Glitter time.
You wanna get the flakes for me, Kaylee?
Yeah. Flakes.
Yep. You just gotta rip it open right there.
There.
It's so glittery, I can't wait to mix it. Okay, pour those in.
Okay.
Do we want to add a lot? I think we only want to add a little bit more.
Right there.
I think that's good, yep.
Yep.
Okay, get our mixer for me. Thank you, and now we're gonna mix. I'll start mixing. Oh my goodness, look at that.
That is so cool.
You can see all the ingredients in it.
Cool. Look, there's more glitter all around.
Of course, yeah. So here it is. It is so cool. It actually looks like a gold bar of gold. It has been melted and it is just in pieces now. Or just like this glob of slime.
It's just so cool.
Okay, So then the next thing on our instructions is add 3 spoonfuls of the activator.
Okay.
Got that? Okay, will you hold that for me?
Mm-hmm.
I'm gonna pour the activator in and you're gonna pour it right in.
Yep.
Okay. Make sure they're level spoonfuls. Pour that right in. Okay. 3 spoons. Can you squeeze this fork? Okay, now put that in. And let's move to the side a little. There we go. That's our 3. And there we have it. We're gonna mix it all for 30 seconds and stir well.
It's already turning like slime.
I know it turns like slime really quickly, but we gotta make sure that we mix for a good little bit so that it all comes together and it's not globby.
Yep.
Okay, would you like to mix for me?
Yeah.
Okay. The important thing about mixing is so that your slime is perfect and so that it all comes together the way you want it. And then for step 5, we're gonna need for 5 minutes. So after it all comes together, we're gonna put it on our table and eat for 5 minutes to get the perfect slime consistency. Are you ready?
Yep.
Let's pour it out.
Ooh, wow.
Okay, I'm gonna start mixing here. Can you just try and get the rest of it out?
So cool.
Thank you. Yeah, here, put it right there. I'll mix it. It's a gooey mess. Ah! It is so cool though. Are you getting it?
Yeah.
Okay, I think that's good after that one. There you go. Here, put it
There we
on the
go.
side.
There we go.
Okay, and put that to the side.
Yep.
Thank you. Oh my goodness. Okay, let me try and collect this all here. Once it starts coming together, it'll all start coming up.
Yeah, it's
Do you want to
so
start mixing
glittery.
it?
Yeah.
It's a little sticky, but you gotta get it all together. Here, I'm gonna try this up.
It's so glittery.
Yep. Okay, I'm gonna take a towel. I'm gonna clean this area up while you mix that. Is it starting to get less sticky?
Yeah, a little.
Yeah, that's why it's important to mix it for 5 minutes to make sure that it's not sticky anymore.
It's really playful and fun.
Is it really glittery?
Yeah, it's
What is your
really
favorite thing about it?
It's the gold.
It's the gold in it, all of the gold.
Yeah.
But what is your favorite out of the gold ingredients that we added? Gold flakes, gold glitter, and gold mica powder. Which one was your favorite out of them all?
My favorite was the gold makeup powder.
Oh yeah,
Really
that was my
cool.
favorite too because it also made the air sparkle, which was
Yeah.
really cool. Okay, let me see.
Yep.
Oh my goodness, it's coming together. It is so
Pretty.
cool, guys, right? And
Yeah.
cool. It's just like we're starstruck from it. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed this video, make sure you click down below and watch more videos like this. And we'll see you guys later. Bye!